welcome to my YouTube channel Trade and Travel with SK. Today I will be covering about one of the swing trade I took last week, in which I got 25% profit in 4 days. So in this video I will cover the following things. First, I will cover why this particular stock came to my watch list, and then I will also cover at what point I considered this and really started looking this stock very closely. We'll also cover when I entered and what I did after the entry and what and how the stock performed after the entry. Also, I will tell when I exited and what is the overall profit. Okay, so let's get started. So the company name is Bikaji Foods International Limited. As you can see, I have shared the screener page related to this stock. So as I said, first let's see why this stock, why I have chosen this stock to be part of my watch list. So Bikaji Foods, as you can see, the market cap is around 17,300 crore and it's a mid cap company. And it's a fast moving FMCG company which has products in these categories. So why? Uh, let's check the fundamental of this company. Yeah. So as you can see, the ROC is a very good number. The ROE also is a very good number, and the debt to equity ratio is very less. It is 0.11. And let's now get into the results part. So as you can see, the results part starting from September 21 to March 2024, the sales are either in the improving trend or it is a steady, right? So I mean there is no much ups and downs in the sales. Similar way, if you can see the profit, it's a consistently increasing trend, right? Starting from September, leaving few quarters, right? Rest everything is a very healthy improving trend. And more importantly, if you see the margin, which I give a lot of importance, is also a very stable or uh, recently very good trend, very much improving trend, and especially in the March quarters, the sales, profit, and margins are significantly improved. Yeah. So as a result of that, the net profit also consistent or increasing, and in March it improved very significantly. Um, they pay a good amount of tax, which is also a good sign. Yeah. So coming to the yearly numbers, again, sales, profit, margins, and the net profit, everything is consistent or improving. And in 2024, they posted very good results compared to the previous years. So because of this reason, I have added this stock in my watch list because it's a company which is consistent or improving in its sales, margins, profit, and also very the debt is on very low, right? And ROE numbers, ROC numbers are also very good on a 10-year, 5-year period, showing very good. Yeah. So yes, that's the main reason. And the shareholding pattern, if you see, um, promoters are holding their uh, uh, the shareholding from promoters are not, I mean, it is not dipped a lot. Yes, FAs are increasing, which is a good sign. DIs are reducing a little bit, but not heavily. Yeah. So now that's the reason. Yeah, mainly, basically, it's a fundamentally very good company, and it's a fast-growing FMCG company. So because of this, I added this stock in my watch list. And now let's see what are the why I started looking this stock very closely, because similar to Bikaji, I have many stocks in my watch list. So what triggered me to start looking this stock very closely, and that is nothing but the technicals. So let's look at the technicals. So you can see the Bikaji stock price chart. This is a daily time frame chart. Um, so I used to check the chart on a daily basis. So on 31st May, yeah, I have seen the price has gone up significantly, starting from 555 to all the way to 600, which is close to 10% increase. And other thing you notice is that no much wick on the top side, which means not much selling. And it's a very big candle, green candle, and also the volume also significantly high compared to the previous days. So which means there is a lot of buying activity on this particular day. And so I decided to monitor this stock very closely. um, I don't want to enter it this price. Instead I want to uh, f- I mean, based on my analysis, I want to buy the stock if it come back to around 550, 560 levels. So which means I have to wait, right? So now I will so I covered why I started looking the stock closely. It is mainly the technicals, and that to the price action on this particular day. Yeah. So now let's see, the third point is, as I mentioned, when I entered, right? So as I said, I started monitoring this. So let's see what happens in the next day. Yeah. So next day is 3rd June, right? So yeah. So 3rd June, price opened. It went up all the way to 620 levels, but closed at 575. So I didn't. I was monitoring this further, and then 4th June it came to my buy level. So I bought at 550, and that day there was very good buying because of this week, right? And then next day price shot up to 636, which is 10% upper circuit day. I didn't sell the stock because upper circuit mean lot of buying activity, so I holded. And next day you can see the price action, right? Because after a very good move, there are a lot of buying selling activity, so price consolidated. I was expecting another bullish move, so which happened immediately next day. So you can see prices came to the 700 levels. So I exited at 695. So basically I entered at 550, and then on this 4th June, and then within 4 days I got 25% gain on this particular stock. A reason I exited this stock because it's given me more than the risk reward, or reward to risk ratio, I would say, which I keep it. So I exited this stock because of profit booking reason. Um, so yeah, so basically it's a quick profit for me. The entry was perfect, and price also moved as per my expectation after my entry, and it's given me a good return in very quick time. Yeah, that's it for today, and I hope you like the video. If you like it, please click the like button and subscribe my channel. I will come up with more videos in the coming days, which cover my trades, and also through that uh, discussion, I will also cover some of the key points to be looked in for you to be successful in swing trades. Thank you.